Hello and welcome. In this worked example, we're taking a look at a paper one question, which reads, a girl throws a ball vertically upwards. It takes a time of 3.20 seconds to return to her hand. Assume air resistance is negligible. What is the initial speed with which the ball is thrown? I'm going to diagram this. So the ball is thrown vertically upwards with some initial speed u. It's going to be decelerated by gravity. It's going to fall back down. And we know that at the top of its flight, it reaches a temporary final velocity of 0 meters per second. And that's because the acceleration due to gravity slows it down. So it's negative 9.81 meters per second squared. That's the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity, so the difference in velocity per time. If it took 3.2 seconds to return to her hand, and that means with negligible air resistance, it took a time of 1.60 seconds to reach this speed of 0 meters per second at the top of its flight. So it was accelerated up to that point. We could say that V equals U plus AT. And we could say that 0 equals U minus 9.81 times 1.6. There. So we've got 1.6, whoops. 1.6 times 9.81 all right, 15.696 meters per second is the calculator value. And so once we take a look at our answer choices there, we'd see that 15.696 isn't an answer, 15.69 isn't an answer, but 15.7 is answer C. And so C is the correct answer to that question. Think about this equation right here, where we say 0 equals U minus 9.8T, 9.81T. As this is the time that it takes the negative acceleration due to gravity to act on an object with non-zero initial velocity until it slows down to a speed of 0. You always know that at the top of its flight, it's reaching a speed of 0. And so you can substitute that into your equations of motion.